If you're taking a tablet for diabetes, you can do it. If you're taking insulin, you cannot do it. But here, plus 3 months they go. Plus 3 months. No, that is more.
Hi, please tell us about your blood donation drive today. Minu?
Think Beyond is an organization, it's a group of friends that have come together to address various social issues that, just for our community provide. And we conduct this blood donation camp every year, and we do it in association with Think Foundation, which is doing some path-breaking work for thalassemia children. These children who suffer from thalassemia, they need blood transfusion every 15 days, in some cases, worst cases, even once a week. So what we do is we conduct these drives for the residents of Hiranandani, and we support various blood banks, which in turn support the cause of thalassemia and other patients for cancer, also people who require for burns and things like that. It's a very lesser known fact, that blood donation, actually by donating blood, you're doing a great favor to your own self also, becoming healthier. This is buffer blood in your body. So each person has at least a liter of buffer blood, and what you're donating is just about 350 ml. Now this is broken down into 3 components, and each component helps different patients. So we really encourage all of you to voluntarily donate blood wherever, not necessarily with us. Go anywhere, make it a culture in your life to donate blood. Donate blood, save lives. Be a volunteer, help save many, many more lives. Yeah.
How's the response?
It's good, not as good as every year. Every year we have great friends, so we get the Rodas Banquet Hall every year. Unfortunately, this year they're under renovation. We have good friends in Hiranandani, Mr. Joseph Reddy, who is the GM admin. He is being great, and he supported us with this place. So we have a good turnout, not as good as every year, but we're trying our best. So our volunteers, great friends like people like Sudipta, Shivani, Vanjini, Abhilasha, Anita Sabu, Anushri Bajaj, all of them, they support, they pull in, they go all about, keep calling people. We're actually holding people and getting them blood.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes.
What does Think Beyond does?
I think Beyond is doing it to, every one of us, each one of us is a volunteer with some NGO or the other. Everybody is putting in some grassroots level work or the other, resource work, going in teaching. So Dipta is a great artist, so she helps support Women's Cell, where she's teaching them craft. I go and teach languages to these underprivileged children. So everybody in their own way is doing a lot of work. So that is the part of Think Beyond. And what we do is we do a lot of blood donation camps, thalassemia check camps, health awareness campaigns for women that we've done. And also our signature campaign is the Peace Walk that we do every year. This is to commemorate the peace that prevailed after the 26/11 attack. So we've been doing it for 4 years. Each year we come up with a different theme. We bring together different people who make a difference to the society. We felicitate them, we bring together, we bridge gaps. So we bring together the NGO children, NGO women, youth together, we bring residents together. We walk for peace in Hiranandani. And what we're saying is that we have to create a peaceful, integrated society. So we're bridging gaps. The idea is to bridge gaps.
You're able to track a lot of youth?
Yes, we are. We are definitely. We are in touch with a lot of youth groups, and particularly one that we've come across just now is a group called Shock.com. There are a group of people who work with Nomura, who work from the IITians. These are students from IIT. They're supporting us in a big way. So you have a great deal of friends from Shock coming here for the donation as well.
All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please